Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your blockchain.com wallet in the blockchain.com app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the blockchain.com app, then go to the home section, and at the home section on the top of the screen on the left side you should see this little profile icon, which is going to open up the settings. And at the settings menu, the first one is going to be the account limit. And when you tap on it, you can see that with your basic plan you can send and receive cryptos and swap cryptos one time between private key wallets. And that's pretty much it, what you can do with a basic account. But if you verify your account, you will have full access to the verified level, which means that you can swap cryptos between all wallets and accounts. You can buy and sell cryptos, card or banking methods, and you can also earn rewards on your crypto. Now, to get verified, you just have to tap on Get Verified, and you should go through these steps. Let's confirm it's you. You need one that ID types below to continue, which means that you need either a valid passport, a national ID card, residence card, or a driver's license. And if you scan this card, you also have to take a selfie, which verifies that it's really you. And in a couple of minutes or hours, depending on your region, they are going to verify your account, and then you get access to all these verified features. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.